I'm Paul, and this is Thermaltake's Core V1 Mini-ITX case. Small, simple and stylish, it's extremely light and made from aluminium. Power and USB ports are discreet and on the right hand lower side. The transparent window on the top is one of the case's best features, enabling you to show off your build. The side panels are interchangeable with the window panel, and additional panels can be purchased online. The front fan can either be interchanged with a 200mm, 140mm or 120mm fan. And there are two 3.5 or 2.5 inch hard drive bays tucked away on the left hand side. The case can also permit either a 120 or a 140mm fan and radiator for water cooling. Despite its size, it can accommodate almost a full-size graphics card. The case also fits a standard ATX power supply. The Thermaltake Core V1 is amazing value. To learn more about the case, click on the links below. Thank you for watching.